Today we went on a date to Understand Avenue and then to Seoul Forest, which is located right next to it.
We're surrounded by containers, but yeah, it looks nice.
It's a mix of sweet coffee shops and shops. So actually we're dying from heat right now.
Yeah,
So I'm sure we're gonna just enter inside, right?
we're melting down actually. Yeah, let's say something in here.
It's good.
It's not Itro, and Mojito is not Mojito. Not alcohol Mojito.
This Kontinuum Avenue just opened a few months ago, and it's not just a shopping street but also a cultural place. That day there was a small exhibition and also a treasure hunt. I guess because it's quite new, it's not famous yet, but actually it's really worth coming here. We even came 2 times this summer. Especially we loved the cute little shop which is selling leather accessories with bright messages on them.
We are in Seoul Forest, and here is the avenue of Kontinuum. The good thing is all the building is made of containers. I think it's a used one, so they recycle it. So it looks really good, and they have a really funny shop. And we bought this.
Couple one.
Yeah, couple. Yeah. Yeah,
Anyway,
couple.
we have couple ones.
Yeah, it is really fun. And I choose jewelry, and she chose forever.
So then we went to Seoul Forest. It's more a park than a real forest, but it's a pretty park and there are some great activities to do that give a taste of nature and calm within the busy Seoul city. And we found the dear place. There is a vending machine where you can pay 1,000 won to get a cup of deer food.
Yay!
It's first time I see here.
Really?
Oh, my man is so popular. Only girls come to him now.
We had a nice time in Seoul Forest. Next time, we'd love to rent a bike and have a picnic. So we definitely want to come back here soon.